Hello guys, welcome to Zen Edit channel. Okay, in this channel we will talk all about Cronus Zen on PC using mouse and keyboard. Okay, today's video will talk about how to set up the Cronus Zen on your PC. I don't know how many times I make this video, but I will make sure this is short and simple. Short, simple, and useful. Okay, now let's go into the video. First, this is your Cronus Zen. Remember, there are two types in here, back side and the right side. Remember, uh, plug the back USB. Okay, this is just for the settings. Okay, I will show two settings the Cronus Zen. Uh, the right USB. Okay, and then your mouse. I'm using the dongle here. Plug your mouse. Wait until this green LED turning on, and then plug your keyboard. Remember, wait until the green LED turning on. Unplug your mouse. Remember, this is a must do. This is the must do. Okay, and plug the mouse again. Wait until this green LED turning on, and then this is just an optional. Okay, you can see here in the screen. Open the hardwaretester.com. I think it's gamepad tester. Before it's gamepad tester. Okay, you can see my mouse is detected and my keyboard is detected. All mouse and keyboard are detected. Okay, next open your Zen Studio. Remember, I already made a video about how to update the Zen Studio and then update your firmware update. Okay, this is online. Okay, let's go into the device tab. You can see here, make sure your mouse and keyboard is shown in here. I'm using the Red Dragon, and this is my domestic mouse on Indonesia. This is the Vortex series. So this is the question mark. Okay, if you are using Logitech keyboard and mouse, the Logitech logo is in here. Okay, this is the console. I'm using here Xbox 360. Okay, so the console in here Xbox 360. Let's try the device monitor. It's the same. Okay, it's now you are already using your Cronus Zen. Next, mouse and keyboard settings. This is for another video. I will make a new settings for the Cronus Zen, the new video for the mapping the mouse and keyboard. Okay. Next, we are going into the game. For the game, I try this always on Call of Duty. I think it's the same with all the games, okay? But for this video, I will using the Call of Duty games, okay? Okay, after that, if you are in the game, go to the settings, keyboard and mouse. On any other game, remember, aiming input device change to controller. Now you can use your mouse and keyboard. Let's try this on the firing range. You can see. I will use nice. In another video, I will give you my personal settings in this game. Okay. Oh, let's try the new scripts in here. Okay, nice. Okay, I will make some conclusion in here. Remember, to set up is really simple. Plug the back USB. If you are already set up the Zen Studio, you don't need this. Just unplug this. Remember. So I will try it again. This is just in case if you are already set up the Cronus Zen. Plug the backset USB. Plug your mouse. Plug your keyboard. Unplug your mouse and plug your mouse again. If you want to check your controller, just go to the gamepad tester, hardwaretester.com. Okay, and you can just try it in this web. Okay. I think it's all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.